excellent to see. Again, if you're looking at, eosinophilic rates, that's kind of indicative that you have a great, pool of patient data to pull from, being able to find it to even that degree, that extent, set all these metrics and endpoints of absolute care. That's fantastic. And it kind of alludes to the thought and wonder of where do you guys go next? What's the next level of assessment?
Well, obviously there is the paper and the study will be published simultaneously with tonight's presentation at the ETHOS in the New England Journal of Medicine. I think that academic authors, including myself, are delighted to be published there. It's nice. I mean, just to quickly say that it's just nice. It's a very prestigious journal. I adore the work that they do, and it is impactful. So this is good. There's a lot of other analyses that will be done that is not part of the core paper. There will be a separate real workup on mortality, very interesting data. There is clearly a workup we have to do. We do this does it work in all regions of the world? I mean, it's big enough to look at regional differences as well. And it is clearly the attempt to actually make it quite clear with risk-benefit ratios of these therapies to give practice guidelines for this. Where are we going with it? Triple combinations, I think, are there to stay. I think people are now actively also looking at triple combinations for asthmatic disease, and this program will do this as well, obviously. I mean, that's something that you would want to know. You would want to take advantage of the novel technology of Aerosphere to bring other compounds and drugs into the technology. And as you said, we are looking at what can we borrow from the asthmatic antibody approach. So the eosinophilia could be one of them. Other cytokine targets may be very relevant. So it gives us two hands full to do. It's good.
It's a good spot to be in, it certainly seems.
Yes, President, absolutely.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
That's great. Dr. Abe, is there anything else you want to add or touch on?
Well, I thank you for having me on the program, and those individuals that are wanting sort of to do something more. There's the ATS session tonight. If you're in the US, I think it's 2 p.m. For you. I think you can still register. I've understood from a rehearsal with them that there is a huge amount of people interested in the program overall. It's not about ETHOS only, it's other clinical trials there as well. So it promises to be fun. So if you want to do that, join it and read the journal papers coming out today.